Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable comments on your videos on YouTube. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in youtube.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official YouTube website, where if you haven't already logged into your account, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner, which you can click on and then use your credentials to log in. Now, once you are logged into your account, in order to change the preferences to enable comments on your videos, you will first of all need to go to your channel. So click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on YouTube Studio. You will now be taken into the YouTube Studio page, from which, in order to enable comments, tap on the settings button at the bottom left corner. Now, from the settings page, tap on Community and then tap on Default. You will now be able to see the section for comments. If your comments have been disabled, then the off option will be selected by default. You can just tap on the on checkbox and you can also set up your comment moderation settings. After choosing your desired settings, you can tap on the save button and now your comments will be enabled within your videos on YouTube. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on or enable comments on your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.